look at the water in the swimming pool. The hail's falling in there and just making a big racket.